What we offer is we are complete begin to end construction and maintenance business. We offer everything from landscaping to concrete work to wastewater treatment. In the last 12 months, some of the lessons we learned is that you have to be diligent in what you do. Since we've been in a pandemic for the last 18 months, we pretty much haven't stopped. We were deemed essential worker. We were fortunate as we were still able to work. The difference between United Maintenance Group and other companies is our niche is that we aren't too small to do a large project and we aren't too big to handle a small project. That's our niche. The best way to keep up with United Maintenance Group is to visit our website.